If you can explain why the H-1B visa is often considered to be failing.
Um, I guess the reason that it sometimes fails is, depending on again which government is in power and what their policy is. The H-1B regulations are written, and you have to stay within the regulations no matter which party comes in and what instructions they give USCIS on processing of cases. But a lot of the H-1B regulations have not been written, a lot of the law is not in a regulation form. It's just a law, bills that have been passed, the Immigration and Nationality Act. So there is a lot of scope for interpretation. And there was a lawsuit called Chevron, which was bad for immigration because that judge's decision, that Chevron case, gave USCIS a lot of scope on interpreting, how the law should be or what the law means. And this was not immigration related, the Chevron case. It was basically talking about administrative organizations interpreting the law, right? I think that was the environmental an agency or something like that. I don't remember exactly, but that had an impact on immigration as well. So anytime we try to say something with reference to, oh, that's not the law and you're interpreting it that way, they will bring up the Chevron case and say that we have the right to interpret it. And so depending on which political party is in power, the gates open and close, and they become more stricter or less stricter with enforcing or approving H-1B petitions.
Mhm.
The good news is recently Chevron was overthrown, and the courts have decided that agencies have only a limited power to interpret the laws, and they have to be interpreted more strictly. And so that's good news. Now, when USCIS says that they can interpret it with their various memos that they publish every time, they want to interpret a law in a different way. We can push back and file lawsuits. So yes, that's the reason why H-1B. I think the H-1B system can sometimes be viewed as broken because the laws have not been written properly. Regulations are not been written properly and not been defined properly, and that leaves a lot of scope for interpretation. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos if you like what you see. Also, give us a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you.